manufacturing, and financial. These are the scenarios that needs to be addressed in any computerized system. So we came to what is known as ERP. It was a software designed for organizing and managing business processes. Modules share information across all business functions. Can share customer sales data with the supply chain to help global replenishments. All modules are fully integrated and use common database. Like here, where there was islands of information, the database were separate, the systems were separate. And talking of different systems was not possible, but with ERP there is a central database, and the communication between the different modules or functions is possible. Why management impetus to adopt ERP is that economic times of the late 80s and early 90s caused many companies to downsize and reorganize, which generated a stimulus to ERP development. Inefficiencies caused by the functional model of business organization limited the exchange of information between the lower operating levels. Functional module led to top-heavy and overstaffed organization incapable of reacting quickly to change. Process business model information flow between the operating levels without the top management involvement. Like when you talk of integration of ERP, you have inventory, purchase, vendor, CRM, payroll, accounting, customer, sales, all integrated into a single application. An example could be like lot of paper transfers between purchase, sales, finance, and other offices. In case of purchase of a printer, a lot of paperwork is being transferred between these departments. But once with an ERP system, the